Hi, I'm Lisa, the Portfolio Manager for Networking at Habitech. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to onboard RIVI access points into the RIVI Cloud. Let's jump in. Step 1. You will have received an email like this one with a link to activate your account. From the Unleash dashboard, click Admin and Services at the bottom and then click Administration. Step 2. In the Administration menu, choose Network Management. Then click the Remote Management Services tab. Click Enable Management by and enter the domain name you were sent in the email in the URL box. Click Apply and you should see a message after a few seconds that an attempt to reach was successful. Step 3. On the left-hand side administration menu, click Remote Management. Make sure that the Enable Remote Management is ticked. Step 4. Head over to RIVI RMS and log in with your credentials. The link is in the email you were sent. Your network should have appeared in the RIVI Cloud dashboard. Now all you need to do is click on Networks to monitor and administer your network from anywhere. Click on your network name and then on License Assignment, and you should see automatically Select Licenses is enabled. Once you've assigned your licenses, you will be able to manage your RIVI Unleash network through RIVI Cloud. And it's that easy. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.